Hi children, how are you? Fine. Okay, do you remember me? I'm your Hindi teacher. Remember? Okay, what we study in last classes? What we study? First chapter Amatrik Shabd we studied. Everybody know that? Everybody understood? Okay, after Amatrik Shabd, second chapter Akhi Matra we started know yesterday. That last class we started this chapter. Remember? What do you mean by Akhi Matra? Akhi Matra means put a symbol and write. Akhi Matra. We are going to start chapter 2. Akhi Matra. Akhi Matra. How can we write that A symbol? Everybody know that A symbol. How can we write here? Yes, very good. Like this. This is A symbol. A symbol. Say one word. Say louder. I can't hear. Can you say one word? A symbol. Very good. Mala. Then one more word say. More word you study, no? Put a symbol. A symbol. Then Raja. Here have one A symbol. Here have one A symbol. Here and here also. Understood? What is A symbol? Okay, then we will start chapter 2. Next page, this page, okay? This page take no. I will read one time, after I will say the meaning, okay? The chapter name Raghav Bazar Gaya. Chapter name Raghav Bazar Gaya. Chapter name read Raghav Bazar Gaya. Raghav Bazar Gaya. What is that meaning? Raghav Bazar Gaya. Anybody know this meaning? Raghav means one boy name. Bazar means market. Gaya went. Then join and say Raghav Bazar Gaya. That meaning Raghav went to market. Understood? Raghav went to market. Ready? First chapter we will start. Okay. I know you don't have book with you. That's why I write this on the board. Okay. Raghav Bazar Gaya. First line. A. Radha. A. This is. What is this? This is full stop. In Hindi we are write full stop one line. Okay. A Radha A. Bazar Chal. Can you read this one? Try it. First time only you are reading. Now. A Radha A Bazar Chal. Understood? Once more. A Radha Radha. Again A Bazar Chal. Understood? Just try this reading. A Radha A Bazar Chal. The next one. आज का काम, आज का काम Aaj kar. Read this. Aaj. A plus ja. Aaj ka kam. Aaj kar. Understood? Once more read. Aaj ka काम आज कर. Once more. First line. आ राधा आ बाजार चल. Second line. आज का काम आज कर. Understood? Can you read this one? आ राधा आ बाजार चल. आज का काम आज कर. Then we can start this meaning. आ राधा आ. What is that meaning? आ राधा आ. आ राधा आ means आ राधा आ means come Radha come. आ means come. Come Radha come. Bazaar chal. Go to bazaar. We will go to bazaar. Bazaar means market. Bazaar means market. आ राधा आ बाजार चल. Come Radha come. Go to market. The next one. आज का काम. Do the work. आज का काम आज कर. Do the work today. Today's work you can do today itself. Don't आज का काम आज कर. Do the work today. Once more. आ राधा आ. Come Radha come. बाजार चल. Move to बाजार. आज का काम आज कर. Do the work today. Understood? These two line English meaning. All of you understood? Are you ready for reading? Yes. Then read once more. आ राधा आ बाजार चल. What is that meaning? Come Radha come. Move to market. आज का काम आज कर. Do the work today. काम means work. आज means today. Kar means doing. Do the work today. आज का काम आज कर. Do the work today. All of you understood? Then next line. Next line I can write here. कल पर मत टाल. कल पर मत टाल. Then कान मत पकड़. कान मत पकड़. लदा ताला लगा. Okay, you can try this reading. कल पर मत टाल. कल पर मत टाल. कान मत पकड़. Kan, here have one symbol, that's why we are reading Kan. Understood? Kan mat pakad. Lada tala laga. Okay. Kal par mat tal. Kan mat pakad. Lada tala laga. Understood? Can you read this one? Kal par mat tal. What is that meaning? Kal par mat tal. What we read here? A Radha a. Come Radha come. Bazaar chal. Move to bazaar. आज का काम आज कर. Do the work today. Then next one, कल पर मत टाल. Avoid tomorrow. Do the work today. Avoid tomorrow. कल means tomorrow. कल पर मत टाल. Avoid tomorrow. कान मत पकड़. What is that? कान means ear. कान मत पकड़. कान मत पकड़. Don't hold the ear. Don't hold the ear. Okay. कल पर मत टाल means avoid tomorrow. कान मत पकड़. Don't hold the ear. लदा ताला लगा. लदा lock the door. Can you see this picture? This picture can you see? This is your textbook. Okay. This side you want to read. Are you ready? Once more we can read. आ राधा आ बाजार चल. आज का काम आज कर. What is that? आ राधा आ बाजार चल. Come राधा come बाजार चल. Move to market. आज का काम आज कर. Do the work today. Here कल पर मत टाल. Avoid tomorrow. कान मत पकड़. Don't hold the ear. लदा ताला लगा. लदा lock the door. Understood everybody? Okay. Then more times this side you want to read, then only you can read fastly. Ready? Okay. Once more I read and give. Okay. आ राधा आ बाजार चल. आज का काम आज कर. कल पर मत टाल. कान मत पकड़. लता ताला लगा. Are you ready for reading? Everybody ready for reading? Then read with me. Here, touch it in your textbook. Where I read, there you touch it. Okay. आ राधा आ बाजार चल. आज का काम आज कर. कल पर मत टाल. कान मत पकड़. लता ताला लगा. लता ताला लगा. Understood? Are you ready for reading? Huh? Ready for reading these lines? Sit in your home and clearly read. More times you read. Then only you study reading Hindi. Ready? This page. And we will next we will start this side. Ready no? Okay. Next one. Raghav बाजार. राघव बाजार गया. राघव बाजार गया. राघव बाजार गया. This word we studied. Now we studied. What is that meaning? Bazaar. Bazaar means market. Okay. Raghav बाजार गया. Raghav went to market. What is that meaning? Raghav बाजार गया. Raghav went to market. The next line. Raja बाजा लाया. राजा बाजा लाया. Understood? First line. Raghav बाजार Gaya. Raja, Baja, Laya. Understood? What is that? Raghav Bazar Gaya. What is that meaning? Say that meaning. Raghav Bazar Gaya. Raghav went to market. The next one, Raja, Baja, Laya. Raghav one boy name, Raja also one boy name. See these in that picture have. Okay. Raja, Baja, Laya. What brought Raja? Raja brought Baja. Baja means one musical instrument. Okay. Raja, Baja, Laya. Raja brought one musical instrument. The next line. Raja, Baja, Bajakar. Raja, Baja, Bajakar, Nach. What is that? Raja, Baja, Bajakar, Nach. Raja, Baja, Bajakar. Raja, that musical instrument, played and dancing also. Raja, that instrument played and dance also doing. Okay, Raja, Baja, Bajakar, Nach. Raja, that musical instrument played and dance also doing. The next one, Lata, Lal, Lal, Tamatar, Lai. Can you read this one? Lata, Lal, Lal, Tamatar, Lai. Read once more. Lata, Lal, Lal, Tamatar, Lai. Understood? Lada. Lada, one girl name. Raghav one boy, Raja one boy, Raja and Lada also. Lada also with them. Lada, Lal, Lal, Tamatar, Lai. Here one word you already studied. What is that? This one. Read this one. What is this word? Tamatar. What do you mean by tamatar? Can you say tamatar English word? Very good. Tamatar Hindi English word is tomato. Remembered in first standard? Okay. Tamatar English word is tomato. Yes. Lata, Lal, Lal, Tamatar, Lai. Lata brought Lal, Lal, Tamatar. What she brought? Lal, Lal, Tamatar. Lal means red. Red color. Red color tomato brought Lata. Understood? Raghav Bazar Gaya. Raghav went to Bazar. Raja Baja Laya. Raja brought one musical instrument. Raja Baja Bajakar Nach. Raja, that musical instrument played and Nach also. What do you mean by Nach? Dance. Okay. Lada, Lal, Lal, Tamatar, Lai. Lada brought red color tomato. Understood, no? Yes. Listen here. The last. After Radha, Gajar ka halwa लाई. Radha gajar ka halwa लाई. What brought Radha? This word also you studied in first standard. Gajar. Gajar means carrot. Okay, Radha what brought? Gajar ka halwa, carrot halwa. Okay, Radha brought carrot halwa. Once more we can read, Raghav Bazar Gaya. Raghav went to market. Raja Baja Laya. Raja play Baja Laya. Raja brought that musical instrument. Raja Baja Bajakar Nach. Raja with that instrument played and danced also. Lata lal tomato lai. Lata brought red color tomato. Radha gajar ka halwa lai. Radha brought carrot halwa. What Radha brought? Carrot halwa. The last line. Raghav anar laya. Raghav anar laya. Raghav what brought? Raghav brought and anar. Means, what do you mean by Say, first word we studied in Hindi, first letter, first word. What is that? Mango. Very good. Raghav anar laya. Means mango. Anar means pomegranate. Remembered? Okay. Mango. Anar, pomegranate. Raghav brought and anar. Raghav brought mango and pomegranate. Understood these full? Once more I can give that meaning. Raghav Bazar Gaya. Raghav Bazar Gaya. Raghav went to market. Raja Baja Laya. Raja brought that musical instrument. Raja Baja Bajakar Nach. Raja that musical instrument played and danced also. Lada lal tomato lai. Lada brought red color tomato. Radha gajar ka halwa lai. Radha carrot halwa brought. What Radha brought? Carrot halwa. Raghav anar laya. Raghav brought and anar. Mango and pomegranate. Understood? Everybody? This read carefully. Okay? You should read these full. Then only you want to read fastly. No? Every day read. Join the letters and read. Okay? Take your textbook and read this one. The last paragraph. This you want to read. Okay, ready? Read this one. What is this? Raghav. Raja. What is that meaning? Raghav. Come Raghav. Come. Raja. Come Raja. Come. Understood? The next line. Chawal, dal, gha. Chawal, dal, gha. Chawal means rice. Rice. Dal, gha. What do you mean by gha? Eat. Raghav, Raja, come. Raghav, come. Raja, come. eat rice with dal. Okay, then gajar का हलवा घा. गाजर का हलवा गा. Eat गाजर का हलवा. गाजर का हलवा means carrot halwa. Eat this carrot halwa. Then anar gha. Eat pomegranate. Eat pomegranate. Then chal अब आराम कर. चल अब आराम कर. Last one is now let's relax. चल अब आराम कर. Last now let's relax. Go and relax. आ राघव आ. कम राघव कम. आ राजा आ. कम राजा कम. चावल दाल गा. Eat rice and दाल. गाजर का हलवा गा. Eat carrot halwa. अनार गा. Eat pomegranate. चल अब आराम कर. Now let's relax. Understood? Okay? This also you want to read. Are you ready? Sit and slowly read in your home. Okay? Then only you can study Hindi. Are you ready? This page full we need to read. Ready? No? Everybody read it very well. Okay, this page. Can you see these pages? Page number 12. Aki Matra chapter. Read it very well. This you don't know these some words means word meaning is here. Here check it and read. Okay. Then next we are going to study some word meaning. Some word meaning I can write here that you copy in your notebook. Okay. First one is ball. Copy in your notebook and study also. What I given on the board that you study. Okay. The next one is Kaan. Kaan means ear. Then Haath. Haath means hand. Then Naak. Naak means nose. Then Tara. Tara means star. Gajar. What do you mean by gajar? Say. Very good. Carrot. Gajar means carrot. Anar. Anar means what? Pomegranate. Pomegranate. The next one, Padshala. What do you mean by Padshala? Padshala means school. School Hindi word is Padshala. Then next one, Bazaar. Bazaar means say, this bazaar we already studied. Market. Bazaar means market. Gaya. Went. Come. These words you write in your notebook and study also. Okay, this in Hindi and English words also study. Copy in your books these words. No need this full words. No need to copy in your notebook. These words you can copy in your notebook. Okay, I will read. Bal, hair. कान, ear. हाथ, hand. नाक, nose. तारा, star. गाजर, carrot. अनार, pomegranate. पाठशाला, school. बाजार, market. गया, went. Come. Understood? Listen here once more. Bal, say the word, hair. Kaan, ear. Haath, hand. Naak, nose. Tara, star. Gajar, carrot. Anar, pomegranate. Padshala, school. Bazar, market. Gaya, went. Come. These full words understood? Okay, this you write in your notebook. Okay, are you happy? No? Do you like Hindi very much? How many of you like Hindi? How many of you know reading very well Hindi? Raise your hand. Very good. You slowly read it and study Hindi. Okay, then only you can read fastly. Every day read it slowly. Then day by day you can improve. Ready? Okay. This chapter read it very well in your home. Are you ready? Yes. Now I am going to stop today's class. See you later. Bye.